Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to have some fun with lists. So we don't need this here, so let's get rid of that. And right, so we're going to create a list called Endswith. I'm going to assign it to nothing, that's an empty list. Create another list called CList. I'm going to assign that to nothing there. Okay, we're going to create a function called word lists. Okay, and we're going to create another list called main list. And we're going to populate this with just random stuff. So I'm going to put CAT uppercase, remember that for later. And then we're just going to do something like cow, car, and then we're going to do things like run, fun, and fun. Okay, so that's our main list there. Now we're going to create a conditional called if, which is going to evaluate something. So if word dot starts with okay, oops, got ahead of myself there. So we're going to create a for loop. So for word in main list, that's for word in main list. Now we're going to go on to the conditional. So if word dot starts with, let's say C, and this is a lowercase c, we're going to do something. We're going to say C list dot append, that's going to be word. So we're going to add that word to C list there. Now we're going to do an else if statement. So it's going to be if word dot ends with. So if the word ends with, let's say, an N, we're going to do something. We're going to say nlist dot append. So we're going to add it to the N list. We're going to add that word to the N list here. Right. Okay. And then we're going to print a message to the user. And we're going to do something else here. So we're going to print the message. And we're going to tell the user that we're going to be joining lists. So we're going to join those lists together that we've appended here, nlist and clist. So we're going to join them together, and we're going to use the time function here, time.sleep, which will pause it, and I'm going to say 1 second there. So I'm going to pause the program for 1 second. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do clist, and we're going to say dot extend n list. So we're going to add n list onto C list. We're going to join them together, and then what we're going to do after that is we're going to print the new C list. And if there's an issue, we're going to do an else here to take care of any issues, which there shouldn't be. Print letters not found. Okay, so let's just give that a quick save, and we're just going to call the program. We call it by its name, which is word lists. Okay, that's its name there. And we're just going to run the program. I'm throwing an exception here. Oh dear, slight error. I shouldn't have put that on there. Okay, let's just save that. Let's run it. Okay, there we go. So we've got the lists. And you'll notice on C list we've got cat, cow, car. So it's only added cow and car here, and the reason being is cat at the top here is uppercase, so that's the reason. Anyway, that's just about it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.